Hi, welcome to my channel. Today video is about growing ginger at home. Just take a ginger you can buy from your store and check if it is healthy one. So just break it out in 3 or 4 pieces and then uh, put them in a paper towel and spray some water so that they can get the moisture during their uh, they stain the paper towel. So I have taken a small plastic box. In this I am going to put all these 3 4 pieces and then I will cover it with the paper towel again and then I will put some water. It should be only a spray of water, not much, because if you will put more water then they will start rotting instead of growing. So don't put more water, just spray them so that they can get the moisture and you can check in a week time if they need more water you can spray a little bit more. So after 2 3 weeks they will start showing some buds and that will be looking like as something is popping up from these gingers. So it will take like 3 weeks when they will start showing a little bit of roots. Once they start showing the roots, then you can plant them outdoor or anywhere which where you like. So this is I am going to leave it as it is. You can see they all are in this box now, and I will show you after 2 weeks what is the result after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks you can see the yellow white birds are emerging from the ginger, and these birds will start showing the roots in other like 1 or 2 weeks. So at that time they will be ready to plant. You can see the white roots, the birds are coming, and it looks like very healthy one. Some has the roots also. Only one has started rooting now. So in this way you can grow the ginger at home very easily. You can buy from the store. It is better to buy the organic one, so that will be good for you. And the ginger has so many benefits you already know, and you can check online also. You can make the ginger tea and you can use in your daily cooking, and you can put in your salads. There's so many uses of the gingers are there. So if you grow at home, they will be fresh available to you, and you can use them in your day-to-day cooking and your day-to-day salad. So I am going to plant them today in this pot so that they can grow more and more, and it will take like 8 to 10 months to harvest them. uh, but here I don't have this kind of weather. Normally I have only 6 months of growing time, so I will not be able to harvest them, but I want to show you how to grow at home. So guys, you can check now. uh, I have put the uh, all the ginger on the top of the soil, then I have covered it with a little bit soil, and I have covered it with a mesh. You can cover it or not, it depends on you, but uh, squirrel doesn't dig them, so that I covered them. So after like 3 months you can see they have grown quite big, and it will take more like 4 5 months to harvest them. So guys, if you like the video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.